Turricula nelliae is a species of sea snail, a marine gastropod mollusk in the family Clavatulidae. There is one subspecies, Turricula nelliae spuria, Hedley, 1922, synonyms Pleurotoma tuberculata Gray, 1839, Pleurotoma punctata Reeve, 1845, Inquisitor spurius Hedley, 1922. It differs from Turricula nelliae by a flexed anterior canal and having 14 to 17 peripheral nodes per whorl. Description: the size of an adult shell varies between 30 mm and 40 mm. The turretid shell has a fusiform shape. It contains 12 strongly excavated whorls. A species of charming form and purity, with whorls strongly excavated above, and a row of upright oblong tubercles encircling their bases, and two small contiguous keels around them just below the suture. The basal spirals are numerous and plain. The aperture together with the siphonal canal equals almost half the length of the shell. The anterior canal is straight. The upper part of the thin outer lip is slightly incised. The siphonal canal is slightly oblique and recurved backwards. Distribution: this species has a wide distribution in the Indian Ocean and from China to Australia, Northern Territory, Queensland, Western Australia. References: Miller, John A. The Feeding and Prey Capture Mechanism of Turricula nelliae spurius, Hedley, Gastropoda, Turricula. The Marine Flora and Fauna of Hong Kong and Southern China to Behavior, Morphology, Physiology, and Pollution 3, 1990, 979. Taylor, John D. The Anterior Alimentary System and Diet of Turricula nelliae spurius, Gastropoda, Turricula. Proc. 2nd Ind. Workshop on the Molecular Fauna of Hong Kong and Southern China. Hong Kong Univ. Press, Hong Kong. Eds. B. Morton, and D. Dudgeon. 1985. J. Y. Ryu, ed. 2008. Checklist of Marine Biota of China Seas. China Science Press. 1267 pages. External links: Indo-Pacific Mollusca, Academy of Natural Sciences of Philadelphia. Delaware Museum of Natural History V2 No. 9-10, 1968-1969.